Enabling two-factor authentication on Yahoo Mail adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Log into your Yahoo Mail account using your username and password. Ensure you are using a secure device and network. Step 2. Access account security. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info, then navigate to Account Security. Step 3. Enable two-step verification. In the Account Security section, look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification or Two-Factor Authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Verify your phone number. Yahoo will prompt you to enter a mobile phone number where you can receive verification codes. Enter your number and choose whether you want to receive codes via text message or phone call. Click Send SMS or call to receive a verification code. Step 5. Complete the setup. Enter the verification code you received on your phone to confirm your number. Once verified, two-factor authentication will be enabled. You may also want to review backup options in case you lose access to your phone. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Yahoo Mail account with two-factor authentication. Regularly check your security settings to ensure your account remains protected.